Changing the language in a Kayak app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings according to your preference. Step 1. Open the Kayak app. Launch the Kayak app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account for a smoother experience. Step 2. Access settings. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by gear symbol, typically found in the top corner of the app's main screen. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 3. Find language options. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the language options. This may be labeled as language or app language. Step 4. Select your preferred language. Tap on the language option to see a list of available languages. Choose the language you wish to use by tapping on it. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your preferred language, confirm the changes if prompted. The app may refresh or restart to apply the new language settings. Once you have completed these steps, the Kayak app should now display in your chosen language. Enjoy using the app in your preferred language.